So excited today. We are meeting championship jockey Craig Williams.
And I heard he's got an inspired Japanese garden and the show first enclosed pool.
Okay, Craig, thank you so much for having us here. This is amazing. Tell us a little bit about your garden. It's got a very Japanese feel to it.
I can't get the credit for the garden. My wife, it's her toy. She loves being out in the garden. She finds it very therapeutic. And most importantly, we did spend time through my profession to ride in Japan. And we love spending time in the botanical gardens over there. And because we got a suburb just outside of Melbourne, with our land size that we have here for our house, we thought that the Japanese theme would work in really well, and I'm really proud to show people our garden, well, my wife's garden, when they come here. When I wanted to get a swimming pool, my wife said, we have to get an enclosure. We started to investigate and the TPEC was perfect. The reason why the TPEC was perfect, not only that we can swim in our pool now for 12 months of the year in Victoria, which usually if you didn't have an enclosure, you'll be only able to swim for 3 months. And the fact that you can look through it, it meant that my wife, she doesn't like seeing fences, but she loves seeing the garden and the vibrant colours. So when we started putting the espaliers and the citrus across the fence line, plus she's very proud that she's also got Australian native citrus across there as well. So the TPEC enclosure gives us everything. It means that for my preparation and recovery for my racing, I can utilise the pool for 12 months of the year. We can control the environment and the temperature. And it's really nice through winter that my youngest daughter, Summer, can bring her girlfriends home from school and swim in the pool in the middle of winter, and to know that they're not freezing and they're having fun because we can control the pool temperature and also the temperature inside the TPEC enclosure.
So you wouldn't happen to bring any of the horses home for any extra sort of therapy in there at all?
I'm pretty sure the horses would absolutely love to be...
Not small water?
No, they would love the water, that's for sure, but I think they leave that type of swimming pool for the jockey, and the horses get the ocean.
So Marcus, we've just been looking at your amazing TPEC structure.
Reece, they're all custom designed. It comes down to the customer's brief. We tend to find it's a balance between the functionality customers after, the aesthetic they like has to suit the property and their personal taste, and of course the budget. You know, we spend a lot of time finding the sweet spot in terms of value for customers, and that may be starting with something that's very low. If they just want to cover the pool, keep the leaves and debris out, that's a big benefit for our customers. Keep the temperature in there, have a more manageable pool. From there we go to a medium size enclosure, and that's really something that you can slide the door open, swim comfortably in the pool. And then you move to more medium to high or high enclosures, which are really designed to be an extra space on the property.
Well, Craig, thanks again for having us. I love the garden, the areas, the enclosure, and best of luck for the Spring Carnival.
Thank you very much.